Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in the previous topic we have discussed about how to solve the numerical based on the decay constant problem number 14, and here we are going to talk about how to solve the numerical based on decay constant, but this is problem number 15. So let's see what is the question and let's see how we can solve it. So friends, the given question here is 0.5 gram sample of thallium 201 decays to 0.0788 gram in 8 days. So what is its half-life? So here we have to understand this question very clearly. Here basically there are two data which is already been given, that is the value of n0 and the value of n. As well as here we can find the time in which this change occurs is also been given, and it is 8 days. So based on all this data, what we have to do is we have to calculate what is the half-life. So let's see what are the data which is been given in this question, and let us write it here first, and then we will be able to find out which data is incomplete here. So first of all, the original sample which has an amount of 0.5 gram, let us write that is n0 is been given here as 0.5 gram of, that is thallium. So thallium decays from 0.5 gram to 0.0788 gram. So therefore this is the amount that has been left after the decay, that is in 8 days. So therefore we could say that is the value of n here is 0.0788 gram, and this change occurs in a duration of 8 days. So therefore we could write the time here as 8 days. I will write it here as 8d. So what we have to do is we have to calculate the half-life, that is t half. But t half can only be calculated if we have the value of the decay constant. So based on this three data which we have right now, we can easily calculate the decay constant, and from that we can easily calculate the half-life. So let us first of all write the formula for the decay constant, and the formula is decay constant lambda is equals to 2.303 divided by time log to the base 10 of n naught divided by n. So here, since we have to calculate the decay constant, we already have the value of the time here as 8 days. So therefore we will have 2.303 divided by 8 days log to the base 10. The initial amount of the particular sample of thallium here is given as 0.5 gram, and after a duration of 8 days we can find that is a change of the sample, the amount of the sample which has changed from 0.5 to 0.0788 gram. So let us see what is the overall answer we could get from here, and what is the unit of the decay constant we could get here. First of all, let me write down the unit of the decay constant. So since here we have got to know that is the duration in which this change occurs is in days, so therefore this will have a unit day inverse. So let us calculate this and let's see what is the answer we could get. So we have got the value 0.231 day inverse for the decay constant. But this is not the final answer. We have to calculate the t half, that is the half-life period. So for that we have a formula. T half is equals to 0.693 divided by lambda, that is decay constant, and here basically we have the value of the decay constant which is 0.693 divided by the decay constant value, that is what we have got over here is 0.231 day inverse. So in that case we could find that is the t half, that is the half-life period, it will have a unit in days. So let's see what is the answer we could get. So here we have got to know about the half-life period as 3 days, and that's it. So this is how it is simple to calculate it. So thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have understood this numerical very clearly, and I hope I'll see you next time. Till then, don't forget to subscribe Ekeeda channel. Thank you so much.